guys, it's Miss Julia here from Belding Library today, and this is our very first virtual baking class, and I'm super excited because we're going to be making cake waffles. This is something that I was actually told about by my husband, and I thought that sounded really yummy, and I figured I should try it. So, first of all, you need to start heating your waffle press, and I'm at mine at medium, so we're getting there. You should also have Pam baking spray or some sort of baking spray. I don't, so we're hoping it's gonna go well. But either way, it should be okay. So we're gonna take our box cake mix and pour it into the mixing bowl. And I've already got it cut. So pour it in. I love the smell of cake mix. All right, so now that's all in there. And then you take your 1 cup of water and you pour it in. And you also take your 3 eggs, provided by Miss Amanda today because I forgot mine. So I'm gonna do that. Try not to get any eggshells in because no one wants to eat those. We're also gonna add sprinkles for fun, so they're like birthday cake waffles, but you don't have to if you don't want to. That in there. Then you also need 1/3 cup of oil. So make sure you do your measuring correctly because it's like science and it's extremely important to have the right mixture. All right. So we got that in there. Now you take a whisk or a spoon or a spatula. I'm gonna try my whisk. We'll see how this goes. And we're gonna stir it up. You want to make sure it's really well mixed together and not spill out of the bowl. So you should definitely beat it together for a little bit. This is when the magic starts to happen, as everything starts to form together. It's definitely one of the best parts. Try to get all the clumps out and get those egg yolks mixed and beat in. You don't want to have any flour cake chunks in those cake waffles. Alright, keep on mixing until you get a real smooth consistency. I think on the box it says you should beat it for like 2 minutes on medium, which obviously I'm not a mixer. So oops, making a mess. So I'm gonna do it myself. Okay, oops. Now we're gonna add some sprinkles, which there's no certain amount that you have to do, but many as you like. You're gonna want to get ones kind of like this. They're like for ice cream because they've got the right coating on the outside, so they won't just make a big mess of a color inside your batter. Okay, that smells really good. All right, by now your waffle press should be hot enough. Definitely is. And at this time you should spray it with pan spray. I don't have any. So we're going to spoon. It says about 2/3 cups. I'm just gonna eyeball it in myself. And then they have to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so 2 to 3 minutes has gone by. I checked on them a little bit and they look really, really good, guys. They smell amazing. So, because they're definitely different consistency than normal waffles, a little more eggy and fluffy. And I don't have Pam spray, so I'm gonna have to kind of work them out a little bit, and they're hot. So be careful / have a parent with or nearby, as long as you have their permission to use this waffle press. We're gonna work our waffle cakes out. I'm gonna just cut them into the quarters. Put them onto the plate. And you can still see the really cool sprinkles in there. fun. And you can top them with strawberries or whipped topping, or if you want more sprinkles. But all right, we're gonna taste test them because even I haven't tried these yet. Okay. Now I can see why my husband loves them so much. Definitely try these and let me know if you did. Post pictures below, and I hope you're having a great summer. See you later, guys.